Hello friends, today we are going to learn that what are the types of the searching algorithms. If you don't know about these concepts regarding the searching algorithms and the properties of the searching algorithms, then please go through my videos. I have already made videos on these topics, and later on you will get a clear idea about these searching algorithms and why we need these topics in the artificial intelligence. So let's start about the types of the searching algorithms. We are dividing the searching algorithms into two algorithms. First one here is the uninformed search, and the second one is the informed search. Uninformed searching algo is also known as the blind search algo, and the informed search algo is also known as the heuristic search algorithms. So the diagram is given. So here is given that it is a searching algorithm and it is divided into two types. First one is uninformed or blind. Second one is informed search or known as a heuristic search. There are some algos which is coming under this uninformed or blind search. So let's discuss. First one is breadth first search. Second one is uniform core search. Third one is depth first search. Fourth one is depth limited search. Fifth one is iterative deepening depth first search, and sixth one is bidirectional search. So basically 6 algos comes under this uninformed or the blind search. So we will later on study that what are the uninformed and the informed search. So next one is informed search. Under the informed search there are the two algos. First one is best first search and second one is the A star search. So let's start. First is here uninformed searching algo. Uninformed searching algorithms. In this searching algorithms, we have not known about the facts. We have known about the domain knowledge, which contains the closeness, what are the locations of the goals. So in this uninformed search does not contain any domain knowledge such as the closeness and the location of the goal. So in this searching algorithm, we have not any information regarding the location of the goal, where is the goal is present, and where how much close we are to the goal. It operates in the brute force way, as it only includes the information about how to traverse the tree and how to identify the leaf and goal node. It's a brute force way. In this, we are just including the information about how we can traverse the tree. We just know some information that how we can traverse and how we can identify that what is a leaf and what are the goal nodes. Uninformed search here is applies a way in which the search tree is searched without any information about the searching space. It's a very important point here that uninformed search applies a way in which searching tree is searched without any information about the search space, like initial, state operator and the test for call. That's why it is known as the blind search. Here is given that uninformed search it just applies a way in which we are searching our search tree without any knowledge about the searching space. Searching space includes the initial state, goal state and whatever the state operators we need from traversing the initial state to the goal state. And so it is known as a blind search because we have not any information regarding these all concepts. So it examines each node of the tree until it achieves the goal node. So in this we are exploring each and every node until we will reach to the goal node. That's why it is known as the blind search or uninformed search. And we will see that various various types under this uninformed search, that are breadth first search, uniform core search, depth first search, iterative deepening depth first search, bidirectional and the informed search. Later on I will make videos on these all searching algos. Next one is informed search algorithm. It uses the domain knowledge. It means it has some information. It contains the information that in this informed search problem information is available which can guide the search. Here we have a problem information which will guide the search. So informed search strategies can find a solution more efficiently than the uninformed search strategy. It's known as the heuristic search. In this we have some information about the problem which will guide us for the searching. So it's more efficient than the uninformed search, because in the uninformed search we have to explore each and every node to identify our goal node. But in this we have some given information about that where is the goal node present, okay, but we just need to traverse that how can I reach from this start state to the goal node with the least possible optimality, so that my algorithm will be complete optimal solution it will provide to me. So various properties I have to consider. Heuristic is a way which might not always be guaranteed for best solution, but guaranteed to find a good solution in the reasonable time. Heuristic is there. Heuristic is not giving you the uh, guarantee that it finds the best solution, but yes, it guarantees that it will give the good solution in the reasonable time. Informed search can solve much complex problems which could not be solved in the another way. So informed search will solve the various complex problem which we can't solve with the uninformed search. So the various informed search algorithm here are traveling salesman problem, greedy search, and the A star. So we will study each and every searching algorithms in detail in my previous videos. So please, if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel and do comments. And if you have any query, I'll answer your queries. Thank you, friends.